Hello and welcome to our graduate application advice session. My name is Maddie and I'm the admissions and recruiting coordinator for the College of Professional and Continuing Studies, where we oversee online and continuing education programs. Today we'll be walking through the essential steps to ensure your application stands out. Whether you're just starting or you're in the final stages, this session will provide you with valuable insights and tips. Let's dive in. First, get an early start. Starting your graduate application process early is key to a successful submission, and here's why. Preparation time. Graduate applications often require various materials such as test scores and transcripts. Getting an early start gives you ample time to gather all necessary documents and meet deadlines without stress. Competitiveness. Mississippi State's graduate programs are competitive. By applying early, you demonstrate commitment and enthusiasm, which can positively influence your application. Support. Beginning early allows you to engage with our friendly and helpful staff well before the deadline, giving you the chance to address any questions or concerns that might arise. Let's talk about letters of recommendation. Why are they so important? Letters of recommendation provide a snapshot of your academic and professional abilities from the perspective of those who know you best. Here's how to make sure yours are as strong as possible. Again, start early. Reach out to potential recommenders well in advance. Whether they're professors, supervisors, or mentors, building these relationships over time ensures that they can provide detailed and enthusiastic letters when needed. Choose your recommenders strategically. Select recommenders who can speak to different aspects of your abilities. Ideally, they should be familiar with your academic achievements, research potential, and professional demeanor. Give them time. Request letters early and provide your recommenders with ample time to write thoughtful and personalized letters. Remember to send them your resume and a summary of your goals to help them craft a detailed recommendation. Provide guidance. Make sure your recommenders are aware of submission guidelines and deadlines. Keep communication open and respectful throughout the process, but send gentle reminders if necessary. You can use the online application system to manage your recommenders and update or change your recommenders if needed. Make sure you keep your application materials current to ensure everything stays on track. For more detailed information on letters of recommendation, please refer to the graduate school's website. Next, let's talk about your statement of purpose. What is a statement of purpose? Your statement of purpose is your opportunity to tell the admissions committee who you are and why you're a great fit for the program. Here's how to craft a compelling statement. Tell your story. Think of your statement of purpose as a personal narrative. Highlight your academic background, professional experiences, and career goals. Emphasize why you're interested in the specific program at MS State Online and how it aligns with your aspirations. Be specific. Address the specific requirements or prompts provided by the program. If the prompt is more general, discuss your interest in the field, career goals, unique experiences, and why you chose Mississippi State. Highlight your achievements. Use concrete examples to illustrate your accomplishments and skills. If there are any gaps or concerns in your academic or professional history, use your statement of purpose to provide context and explain them positively. And lastly, be positive and focused. Maintain a positive tone throughout your statement. Focus on your strengths and what you bring to the program, rather than dwelling on any negatives. So, what are your next steps and who should you contact for help? Next up, you'll complete your application. Make sure all sections of your application are filled out accurately. Double check that you've included all the required materials and met all deadlines. Then you'll submit your transcripts and fees. Send your official transcripts and application fee as required. Ensure you follow the instructions for both domestic and international submissions. You can use the application portal to track your application and monitor your submission status and check for any additional requirements or updates. Here are some key contacts to help you. If you have any questions or need assistance, we have 2 enrollment and onboarding coaches on staff, Samantha Clardy and Mindy Wolf. You can reach Samantha at s.clardy@msstate.edu. And you can reach Mindy at mindy.wolfe@msstate.edu. Feel free to reach out to these contacts to help with the application process or any questions you might have. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this session has provided you with valuable insights into the graduate application process. Remember, getting started early, choosing strong letters of recommendation, and writing a compelling statement of purpose are all key to a successful application. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact our team. Good luck with your application, and we look forward to welcoming you to MS State Online.